In today's video, I'll show you how to easily book multi-city trips using Navan, and trust me, this is a game changer for anyone who's been struggling to coordinate complex travel plans. Navan makes booking multi-city trips super simple and efficient, whether you're traveling for business or planning a vacation with multiple stops. Stick with me to learn how to maximize this powerful tool and make your travel planning a breeze. Navan is a comprehensive travel management software that allows you to plan, book, and manage trips all in one place. With its user-friendly interface, it's ideal for booking multi-city trips. Instead of toggling between various websites and apps to manage each leg of your journey, Navan consolidates everything into one seamless platform. To get started, once you're logged into Navan, simply head to the booking section. Here, you'll find the option to choose multi-city flights. This is where you'll input your departure city, the cities you want to visit, and the dates of travel for each leg of the trip. Navan then pulls up a range of flight options for each city combination, making it easy for you to compare and select the best routes and prices based on your preferences. One of the great features of Navan when booking multi-city trips is the flexibility. You can adjust the dates and times for each city leg directly in the interface. If you need to add or remove a stop, it's as simple as clicking on the Add Stop or Remove Stop buttons. Plus, it allows you to save and edit itineraries, so if your plans change, you're not starting from scratch every time. Another highlight of Navan is its integration with your existing calendars, which helps with planning and ensuring no overlap or conflicts in your travel schedule. This is perfect for people who are juggling multiple appointments or business meetings across various cities. And it doesn't stop at flights. Navan also helps with booking hotels, rental cars, and even transportation between cities if needed. So, whether you're booking a flight from New York to London, then Paris, and finishing in Rome, Navan will help streamline every part of your journey. Here's a tip. Make sure to use the advanced filters to fine-tune your results. You can filter by airline, travel class, or even flight duration to ensure you're getting exactly what you need. This level of customization is something you won't find on most travel websites, and it's one of the reasons why Navan is so effective for frequent travelers. Now, for those of you interested in trying out Navan for yourself, you're in luck. You can use Navan for free through an exclusive offer linked below. But that's not all. Stick around, and I'll let you in on how to unlock an extended free trial, which means more time to explore all of Navan's features at no cost. So, if you're looking for an easier way to manage complex multi-city trips without the hassle of traditional booking platforms, Navan is the tool you need. Trust me, once you use it, you won't want to go back to old-school booking methods. Remember, this isn't just about booking flights. It's about simplifying your entire travel experience from start to finish. With Navan, everything is in one place. So make sure to check out the exclusive offer below for your extended trial and get started today.